Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Iowa Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Are you a resident of the state of Iowa? Do you plan to relocate either within the state or outside the state? If your answer to both questions is yes, then you need to have a conversation with 3Movers, a full-service moving company that provides stress-free relocation to our customers. Moving house or shop is an emotional roller coaster. You are potentially stripping yourself from memories and relationships that have sometimes taken many years to build up. Added to the emotional state that you find yourself in, think of the myriad of challenges that you face when moving. Increased stress levels, you are constantly running against time. The stress of packing supplies, packing services, and unpacking during the moving process, just to list a few. 3Movers understand the challenges that come with long-distance moving, especially movers' cost. In the entire state of Iowa, we pride ourselves as being among the leaders in the moving industry, on account of the fact that we benchmark our performance of how we handle key areas of the business with the best practices across the industry. Billing, turnover time, customer care, storage services, corporate moving services, insurance, etc. are dealt with professionally by our seasoned staff. Our sense of pride comes from the fact that we are part of the local community and contribute to the economic prosperity of Iowa by being an economic stakeholder. 3Movers have been rooted in Iowa for more than a decade now, and if you are looking to move intrastate, then kindly contact us to partner with you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Iowa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as storage. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.